This lesson is meant to help you understand the difference between these three Arabic combinations and, most importantly, how to pronounce each of them properly when you come across them in the Quran. These small signs, like the Hamza, Sukoon, can completely change the length and type of sound. So, let's break it down one by one with easy example and clear rules. So now we have Mim, Fatha, Alif, Sukoon, Ma. How many harkat? Yes, 2 harkat. A little longer sound. It sounds like Ma. This is called Mad Tabi'i or natural Mad. It's the most common and the easiest type of Mad.
وما ربك بغافل عما يعملون.
Okay, now let's move on to the second combination. We already had Mim with Fatha and Alif. Now we add a Hamza after that. So it becomes Ma. Can you tell me how many harkat now? 4 harkat. And look closely. You will see a mad sign on top like this. The sound becomes longer. Ma. This is called mad muttasil. When a mad letter is followed by a Hamza in the same word.
إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Now let's talk about the longest mad in the Quran called mad lazim, and it's stretched for 6 harkat. How does that happen? When you see a mad letter like ma and right after it comes a shad or a sukoon, then it becomes mad lazim and you must stretch it fully for 6 beats. This rule applies to all mad letters. If they are followed by a shad or sukoon, you stretch them to the longest mad 6 harkat. And yes, it's compulsory to stretch it that long.
والصافات صفا.